Hey guys, today's video is going to teach you how to get the MilkChoco hack with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. It's very straightforward. Just go to hexmods.com and find MilkChoco. If you don't know where it is, just search it up. So anyway, we're going to see unlimited diamonds and gold. As you can see, over 76,000 downloads. So just press the download button and it's going to start to download this MilkChoco mod. Now, it's a very quick download, even though it's 60 MB. So before it downloads, there is one more step. It's a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, guys, it's going to load right here, the final step. And it basically just says like you need to complete 2 free apps to finish installing the MilkChoco mod. So as you can see, we got 4 apps and you just have to download 2 of them. So they got TikTok, you got to run it for 30 seconds. Family Island, you have to reach level 10 on the game. That's what I did. So you just press tap to install and it will take you straight to the app store. And then you just download the app and you're done. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is super cool and it fully works, guys. So if you play MilkChoco, I'm sure you know, and we don't even have to play a game of guessing. Look at the pricing structure. It's very expensive. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if you're interested in getting a MilkChoco modded version, be sure to try it out because this is super crazy and yeah, it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super crazy and it works on all devices. So no matter whether you're on an iPhone or an Android, you should be able to use this crazy MilkChoco hack. So I'm going to see you guys in another video and peace out.